Hello everyone, this is Yaya, and I am really excited to introduce InflameCop, which is an autonomous anti-aging and food audit agent. This is built with Google's Gemini, agent skills, and a production-ready web architecture. So for today's content, I'm going to go through the problem statement, why an AI agent, the architecture, the product demo, and the build. So, for the first part, the problem statement. So, in today's world, we know that the poor diet is one of the leading contributors to chronic diseases worldwide. There are nearly 50% of global mortality is linked to chronic inflammatory diseases, while 70 to 80% of these diseases are driven by diet and lifestyle, contributing to 11 million diet-related deaths every year. Yet today's nutrition apps mainly focus on calories, protein, or weight loss. So, InflameCop makes these invisible risks visible by analyzing a single photo of food and instantly identifying hidden inflammatory triggers. And when I analyzed today's nutrition products, I found a clear market gap. Apps like Kaggle AI focus on calories, MyFitnessPal and Lucid focus on manual food tracking, and medical loggers are just too complex for daily use. And InflameCop bridges this gap by combining AI native simplicity with clinically meaningful information analysis and targeting longevity and biohacking blue ocean. So, why an AI agent? Unlike a monolithic prompt, InflameCop dynamically orchestrates 12 specialized agent skills. Progressive disclosure reduces context by around 98%, while deterministic grounding and continuous evaluation ensure every recommendation is accurate, safe, and reliable. And the next part is the architecture. Here's the overall architecture. So a meal image first enters the coordinator agent, and the coordinator agent acts like an AI project manager, dynamically selecting from 12 specialized skills. And to prevent context rot, progressive disclosure loads only what's needed, making the system both faster and more accurate. And to improve reliability, every inference run through a resilient multi-model runtime, automatically failing over across Gemini models whenever necessary. So this is the homepage of InflameCop. I can see that currently I am on a good inflammation balance, and I can check out my inflammation bank down here. And I'm going to have my lunch. Now I am craving a curry pork cutlet meal. So I upload the picture. For the cooking context, it's a restaurant meal, and for my physical state, I feel a little bit sleep deprived now, so I chose accordingly and click inspect. So now let's wait for the result. Well, it's quite high inflammation score, and it contains a lot of AGEs and refined carbohydrates. And for more information, I can check out the ledger here. And for the next function, let's check the trends here. So it's my long-term inflammation trajectory. Currently, I am doing okay. I'm living on the edge of inflammation. Well, that's not good. So I want to be better. So I can click on Generate AI Report here for more recommendation. Okay, so it provides me with more biohacking countermeasures that I can take to optimize my health. So that's it. Thank you. And for the tech stack, I built with Gemini models and with the progressive disclosure coordinator agent architecture and modern React Express architecture. And I intentionally built it on mostly free tier services, proving that sophisticated AI agents can also be highly cost effective. And I already deployed InflameCop on Google Cloud Run. In the beginning, I built it on Antigravity, But due to the quota limits of Antigravity, I move on with Google AI Studio to deal with the development process. So here's just the screen of the Antigravity uh, application. Yeah.